Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best brands and what makes them special. Lingerie is an essential item in our wardrobe, seeing that it's the first thing we put on and the last thing we take off. So, the brands we choose determine how comfy, cute, or even sexy it is, depending on our taste. Therefore, in this video, we'll show you the best lingerie brands you should wear this summer, and the expensive and affordable brands you can find in any nearby or online store. Before we proceed, please feel free to like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Moving on to the 5 best lingerie brands. Number 1 is the Savage X Fenty brand. Rihanna, who used to be a famous singer and is now a businesswoman, makes goods that are open to everyone, which is something that many traditional lingerie brands don't do. This attitude is apparent in the brand's large size range, diverse style offerings, and affordable pricing. This brand offers something lacy and simple, with a touch of sexiness, in bold colors and prints ranging from teddies to thongs to corsets. Their website is full of unique selections regardless of your style or preference, from bright teddies to warm PJs. Not to mention that their bras and swimsuits come in sizes ranging from 46DDD to 4X, allowing ladies with larger busts and fuller figures to find products that are both comfortable and flattering. But it doesn't just end there. Their bras and underwear are the best, most supportive, beautiful, and accessible lingerie you can find in most online stores. Number 2 is the Intimissimi brand. Looking for something classic, silky, and lacy? Intimissimi got you covered. It is the best Italian lingerie brand that makes lingerie with styles and matching sets at affordable prices. With spokespeople like Jennifer Lopez and Chiara Ferragni, Italian brand Intimissimi doesn't need much of an introduction, but for those unfamiliar with the lingerie brand, the company specializes in truly affordable, luxury-looking, and feeling lingerie with a timeless, sophisticated aesthetic. In the 27 years since its founding in Verona, Italy, Intimissimi has polished practically everything, from everyday bras to special occasion lingerie to silk pajamas. The brand is part of the bigger Italian conglomerate Calzedonia, which has approximately 4,000 locations worldwide. They're also a favorite among InStyle editors, which is why they're routinely featured in our roundups of the best silk pajamas, lace underwear, and nightgowns. It is the best Italian lingerie brand that makes lingerie with styles and matching sets at affordable prices. Number 3 is the CUUP brand. Rather than creating a plethora of styles, this brand focuses on making comfy bras and underwear that are just the right fit and have classic silhouettes with a modern touch for each individual. They built bras based on what works for the female body rather than conforming to the status quo's sizing methods. Not to mention, the muted, heightened colors provide a more refined impression. Their bras are even available in sizes up to 44H. Our personal favorites are the plunge and the balconette, but you can't go wrong with any of them. Secondly, simplicity is their style, and with a soft sheer fabric that never has too much padding, above all, their products are just comfortable. Number 4 is the Adore Me brand. Adore Me is one of the best lingerie brands that are affordable, fashionable, and accessible to all shapes and sizes. Most importantly, their lingerie collections are the best, and everything from bodysuits, slips, garters, and corsets is on offer, ranging from 30A to 46G in most styles. Adore Me was the first lingerie brand to provide expanded sizing in all of its styles 10 years ago. They presently offer 77 various sizes, from XS to 4X, as well as bras from 30A to 46DDD, and are constantly innovating. They've been investing in sustainable materials like recycled nylon and organic cotton since 2019, while also reducing their energy emissions. Their new sustainability initiatives have not jeopardized their collections. You're likely to find something that suits your mood, from ultra-sexy cutouts to strappy yet supportive styles. Are you undecided? Their monthly subscription box curates a selection based on your style survey responses. Number 5 is the Cosabella brand. This brand brings your lingerie drawer back to life. In other words, they are known for their classics and reliability, with a combination of patterns, colors, and designs that bring a sense of style. Cosa Bella means beautiful thing in Italian, and it's clear from a short look at their website where they got their name. While they have plenty of seductive, eye-catching styles, they also feature comfort-first fits. Their free-cut micro skin tones line includes supportive yet soft options in every shade, ranging from butter to deep mocha, allowing you to discover a nude that fits you. To top it all off, their bras go up to 36G, but their pants are more limited in size. Now there are lingerie brands available on online stores like Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, Costco, Etsy, Walmart, and etc. These products are dependable, and you can place an order and have them delivered to you anywhere in the world. Number 1 is Avid Love brand. This brand gives you clothes comfortable enough to sleep in and wear around the house, with adjustable straps and G-string that fit perfectly well. Number 2 is Solly Hux brand. These lingerie brands are lightweight and comfortable. They are absolutely best for day and night wear. The 4-piece floral lace trim satin set is available on Amazon. Number 3 is the Mae Lacy brand. Mae's lingerie on Amazon is the high-waist styles like the lacy bodysuits and baby dolls that keep you covered, comfortable, and cute. Number 4 is the Wolford brand. This brand's offering of bras and panties aligns perfectly with the approach to everyday essentials. Their quality and duration are top-notch. Number 5 is the Iris brand. Technically, this brand creates a personal feeling, and it's designed to suit any woman's needs or preferences. One of the best lingerie brands on eBay. Number 6 is the Ebergy brand. The Ebergy lingerie brand expresses the perfect balance of femininity and comfort, with soft bralettes that offer comfy sleepwear. Number 7 is the Nanier brand. The best lingerie brands on Amazon truly define what is fun and supportive. And you don't have to worry about your wardrobe mishaps. Number 8 is Sheln brand. This is halter teddy bodysuit lingerie that you can singularly adjust to your taste, and you can slay with the designs as well. The best brands on Etsy. Number 9 is the Sweaty Rocks brand. This lingerie brand is for my ladies who are looking for something so girly. This feminine black 2-piece adorned with puff sleeves and bows will eventually take your breath away. Number 10 is Love Vera brand. This is the best silky and lace-based set that gives you a full look with high-coverage varieties. Nevertheless, these lingerie brands have a range of styles that are fun, take on a classic look, and are available on Best Buy. Moving on to the best lingerie brands in the USA that you should consider while shopping. Number 1 is the Avid Love brand. This lingerie brand is specially designed to pair with your bikini or high-waisted pants while wrapping yourself in smooth, silky comfort. Be rest assured that these brands are made from the best and finest materials in the USA. 2 is the Bella Materna brand. This is one of the best lingerie brands of Bella Materna. The plunge t-shirt nursing bra is great for new moms and pregnant women. Moreover, it is supportive, wire-free, and form-fitting, which provides comfort when convenient access is needed. 3 is the Naked Princess brand. The Naked Princess bralette offers a light level of support without being restrictive. In short, thanks to the careful use of silk on each of the straps for extra comfort. 4 is the Rago brand. If you're looking for form-fitting clothing, Rago's light-shaping high-leg pants are one of the best brands in the USA. The lingerie subsequently destroys panty lines with a good diversity of colors and soft and comfortable designs. 5 is the Only Hearts brand. This lingerie is one of the best brands, crafted from the most durable nylon, softened with silk for comfort, and reinforced with an underwire for maximum holding power. In summary, this brand should be in every woman's closet in the USA. Last, but not least, is the Decent Exposures brand. This is one of the best brands made in the USA, with 8 different styles, and their lingerie are the best and so comfortable, with no elastic on the waist. I believe you can now make a great choice of lingerie from this list. Please feel free to like, subscribe, And comment on the brands you like and suggest which brands not mentioned should be on the list. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop our next video on top men's clothing brands.